Engine on. 50% half throttle. 50% half throttle.
Maiden in the PJ50. So we go, eh?
50% half
Taking
throttle.
off.
100% full afterburner. Gear up. Flaps up. 100% full afterburner. 3 minutes.
Got to remove that sound. As we know, these don't have afterburners. Well, full throws. Gonna check trim. A little bit of right. Pretty good.
Full afterburner.
Got a GPS in there, see what she clocks up, eh? Nice and wide. She does a good roll.
100% full afterburner. 100% full afterburner.
A bit of a dive.
100% full afterburner.
She rolls good on high. No issues there. I like the high throws. Responsive.
100% full afterburner.
Gyro's perfect. No need to touch it, out of the box.
Full afterburner. 1 minute.
Just gonna bring it around for a gear.
Gear down.
Gears down. Ready for approach.
Flaps 1. Flaps 2.
See what flaps 2 does.
50% half throttle.
Coming down. There's a bit of elevator up as per book.
Throttle cut.
Yeah, she wants to glide. We'll go back round.
30, 29, 28. 100% full afterburner. 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22.
Let's go out a bit more.
20, 19, 18, 17. 50% half throttle. 16, 15, 14, 13.
No power.
12. Throttle cut. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
I'll
4,
take that.
3, 2, 1. Timer 1 elapsed. 50% half throttle.
First landing. Next time I should be better.
50% half throttle. Throttle cut. Throttle cut.